Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. Mohit bought a CD for 750 rupees and sold it for 875. Find his gain percent. You find the gain percent. Here we easily know what 750 rupees CD is bought and sold for it 875. Then he got profit. So you find the profit percent. So let's see the solution. Selling cost price is equal to 750 and selling price is equal to 875. Since what here you observe, selling price is more than the cost price. So selling price greater than the cost price. So Mohit makes a gain. Mohit makes a gain. So gain is equal to, gain means selling price minus cost price. So 875 minus 750 is 125. 125 rupees gain. But you find the gain percentage. So gain percent is equal to formula. This is the formula. What? Gain is equal to gain by cost price into 100. Okay. Gain by cost price into 100. So gain is how much? 125. 125 by cost price. Cost price is 750. So 750 into 100. Here 0, 0 will be cancelled. 10 cancels 5 in 2 times and 75 in 12 times. 12 times. And again 2 cancels 6 times. So again these 2 cancels in 2 times. 5 cancels 2 times. 5 cancels in 15 times. 15 times. Again this 15 cancels in 3 times. 125 in how many times? 25 times. So 2 into 25. 2 into 25 is equal to 50. So 50 by 3%. He gain percent is 50 by 3. Then divide with 50 in 3. So 3 ones are 3. That is 2. 0. So 3 6 are 18. So remainder is 2. So 16 2 by 3% he gain. He gain 16.16 2 by 3%. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.